Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you get some cool headset for under 20 bucks. Stick around. It's happening right now.
Y'all can stop me now, listen to me now. I'm lasting 20 rounds, and if you want me, then come on get me now.
Hey, today we're talking about multicolor LED light computer stereo gaming headphones with deep bass. They're mic for PC gamers. It's pushed back farther, it's not in front of your face, which helps. This thing is less than $20. It's on geek.com. You can buy it right now for $13.
Wow.
Plus another $6 for shipping, as you can see right here.
What have I done?
Or you can buy with other shoppers for $11.70. Choice is yours. It's up to you. If you're new to the channel, welcome.
Hello, cutie.
I appreciate you checking me out. If you like the content and you like the savings, make sure to subscribe. It helps me out. Also, click on post bell notification. The little bell, click that.
Do it.
That way you don't miss any budget tech or free games that I've got coming. And believe me, there's a lot coming. Okay, back to the headphones. When we click on the description, it has a unique crack pattern. The shell is plastic. There's 7 color circular breathing. It looks incredible at night, especially if you're live streaming or a gamer. Frequency is 20 kilohertz. They are wired. There's 3 wires coming out of the back of the headphones. 1 for USB, that's what powers the lights. 2 3.5 millimeter jacks. 1 for headphones, 1 for the mic. The package dimensions when it comes to you is length is 23.5, width is 19.5, and the height is 12 centimeters.
Stop it.
The weight is only 350 grams.
There's one. Set for stun.
The shipping, it gets here super quick. I was shocked.
These aren't the droids we're looking for.
This gaming headset, it gives you a lot of vivid sound. And the shock feeling from the deep bass on various games like Star Wars Battlefront, World of Warcraft, Legion, all of those. The super soft padding on here makes it very comfortable, and it doesn't get hot and sweaty like most of them do. And kids are always running over the wires on these things, especially here at my house. Yeah, they get caught under a chair, they get ripped up, they get broken. It's nothing to go through a couple of pair a year easy. And for 20 bucks, come on, you can't beat that.
I want more.
It does come in white. It's the only color it comes in. No! But it does cycle through the 7 different colors, which makes it really incredible and really unique. And it looks great on live streams.
They will be no match for you.
If you're new to the channel, thank you guys so much for checking me out. You won't be disappointed. Since we did hit 250 subscribers on the channel, I want to give back. I want to say thank you for all of my subscribers and all the people that support me. I'm running a contest. At the end of the month, I'm going to pick some lucky winners. To be entered to win in this contest, you have to let me know down below in the comments. Are you a tech lover? Do you want tech free stuff? Or are you a gamer? I'm going to pick one gamer, and I'm going to pick some tech people and give away free stuff. To be subscribed to both channels, mine and Bryce Harper. You probably noticed it in the front of the video. It says sub to win. Click it. Subscribe. You're going to love it.
Roger that.
I will be happy to give back often. Next, we're on the road to 500 subscribers, and the gifts are only going to get better. Thank you guys so much for all your support and your love. Make sure to share this video with others if you want to help them save money. Tell them to come subscribe. Thanks so much for tuning in. You guys have a wonderful weekend. We'll be back again soon with more great deals. We'll see you soon. Hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss anything. Make sure to turn on post notifications too so you know the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you soon.